Hi everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate how to use FM Dashboard Chat to manage users, permissions, and account settings. Using simple chat commands, admins can quickly update user configurations without navigating through multiple settings page. For example, we can update time zone. We can also update phone number. You can also grant or remove access levels such as assigning admin privileges, removing technician permissions, or updating work order creation permissions. There will be scenarios before applying changes that chat will present the requested updates for review and confirmation. For example, assigning a user as an admin. You can click confirm and the action will be executed. You can also deactivate an account and confirm for it to be executed. In addition, chat can help manage user preferences and notifications, including emergency text alerts, contractor note notifications, and other notification preferences. Account management actions can also be performed directly through chat. This feature helps streamline user administration and makes it easier to manage accounts, permissions, and settings directly from a single chat interface.